morning, Bowling Green. I'm Dawn Johnson from the Bowling Green Area Chamber, and I'm here to be your host for our February and March upcoming events video. So February, we have our Business After Hours on February 20th, and that is at the Hub. If you have not been to the Hub, you have got to come down. It is something to see. Along with a lot of other people, you'll have a lot of great connections, networking, and a lot of fun. Now, if you're a startup entrepreneur, or maybe you're thinking about becoming an entrepreneur, we have the event for you. It's called Startup Garden, and that's on February 26th, and that is at the Mint Gaming Hall. You'll meet other like-minded people and other resources that are available to you and help you grow your business. As we roll into March, we have Let's Do Lunch, and that is on March 4th at Mr. B's Pizza. That fills up really fast, so make sure you register soon. Business After Hours again in March is on March 6th, and that is at the Mint Gaming Hall. Again, lots of great connections happening there. Rise and Shine BG. What is that, you say? Well, that is our new coffee hour. We've renamed it, refreshed it, and we want you to come and Rise and Shine BG with us on March 28th at the National Corvette Museum. Last but definitely not least, we are calling all ladies for our Women's Leadership Conference on March 25th at the Nicely Center. It is an all-day affair and it is very popular. It's a wonderful way to walk away from a day of inspiration, camaraderie, making new friends, and shopping. So ladies, register now. Click the link below, and we hope to see you at some of our upcoming events soon. Again, I'm Dawn from the Bowling Green Chamber, and so happy to have you watching this video. Please share and have a fabulous day.